In this product spotlight, I'll be showing you the Ink Experts mug press. Now this comes in our exclusive hot magenta pink, and pink is for winners. It is robust, simple, no overcomplicated parts, no extraneous bits or bells and whistles that might go wrong. It just works. And it comes with a manual timer switch on the side to activate the timer or stop it. You can adjust the temperature from the control panel here, and the pressure is adjusted by a manual twist screw. Very easy, very simple. It comes with a range of compatible elements. You can spec it with just the standard 10 and 12 ounce, or you can have any of these here. We have latte, Durham, everything.